Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the plugin to send an email and a message on LinkedIn. In case you want to get the Nextweek plugin, you can go to the Chrome store. And search for Nextweek. You will come across a plugin and you will have to add that plugin to your Chrome browser. Once you've added the plugin, it will appear over here and it will ask you to enter the API key. The API key can be obtained from clicking the icon on integrations, and you can click add key to generate an API key that can be used with the plugin. So if you click on add, it will add in a key over here. Now once you've got this key, you can click on the plugin once again, enter the key and verify your key. Now that that is done, you can open your LinkedIn or send messages using Gmail. So before we do that, we will have to set up a campaign within the platform so that you can make use of that particular campaign for sending messages on LinkedIn and Gmail. To do so, what we're going to do is pick up a video template and pick up an image template in such a manner that the image will be shown to the user in the email body and the video will be shown to the user on the landing page. Now, if I go to my templates, for this demonstration, I'm going to use this particular campaign. And this particular template includes two variables, which is username and company name. So when I play this video with a name which is different, let's say Steve from Apple, this video would contain the name Steve and the company name Apple. So we'll be using the email to LP campaign in the campaign that we'll be creating. Similarly, for the image template section, I'll go to the templates that I've created. So we'll be using this template, which contains the play icon, to insert this image into the email body so that the user feels as if an image has been made for them. To give you an idea, I'm going to show you how this actually looks. So if I mention Steve and Apple, you'll notice that this image is now available with Steve's name saying that we made a video for Apple. Now you can also insert a thumbnail for the video that you are planting on your landing page. And to do that, we recommend having a similar image without the play icon. So to do that, you can either set up a template once again, or you can clone this existing template, replace the image in the background so that the position of the variables is identical. Let me show you how to do that. I go to my templates once again. And although this is the same template that I've set up, which I was just mentioning about, I will show you how to do that piece as well. So you can click on clone. And now the image will open in the editor view. You can click on background image and pick the image without the play icon. And yes, your template is now ready. I'm going to name this video thumbnail for the plugin campaign and click on Save Template. Now under the My Template section, we have a video thumbnail for the plugin campaign, and we'll be using the email insert for the email to LP campaign. So this becomes the image in your email body, and this becomes the image for the thumbnail which goes on top of your video. Now what we need to do is stitch this template, and the video template that I'd shown you earlier, the email to LP campaign, together, and that's done using the campaigns feature. So I'll create a campaign. Now, if you had noticed, all the templates had the same personalization variables, which is username and company name. So I will call this plugin demonstration. I will select the template, which is the email to landing page campaign. I will select an image template. Now this is the image template which goes into the email body. So it will be the email insert for email to landing page campaign. And I'll select a video thumbnail, which we had just created as a clone of the image template, which is the video thumbnail to the plugin campaign. Now, Nexive allows you to show the video either on the default landing page, which is hosted by us, which will contain this URL, or you can host the videos on a custom landing page. In our case, we'll be using Nexive.com. And there are instructions over here on how you can insert a piece of code on the landing page that you want to show these videos on. I'll click on Save and Proceed. When I click on CSV, it will allow me to download the template and see what information needs to be passed. So in this case, if you see, we need to mention username and the company name. For the time being, I'll just add in one example. So you need to add in one example and validate it so that the campaign can be activated. I'm saving this particular record. I'll click and upload that sheet over here once again. And you notice that I had added one row. The status of the campaign is ready. I can go back to the campaigns menu and see that that campaign is listed over here with the status as ready. Now to use a campaign with any plugin, the campaign needs to be in the success mode. So I will have to click on launch. And just to get an idea in terms of how the links are generated, you can click on download links. So if you notice, the same entries are now populated with two more columns. This is the link, which is the link to the landing page containing the video. The next ID indicates that an experience has been created for Steve that is embedded on the landing page nexive.com. Similarly, an image has been created, which will be inserted into the email body. If you notice the suffix to the link, it says IT, which is image template. Similarly, you'll notice that when we use the plugins, you'll also come across type as TT, which is a thumbnail template. Now that we've set up the campaign, I'm just going to invoke the plugins on LinkedIn and on Gmail to show you how they can be put to use. Let's start with Gmail. So if I click on Compose, you'll notice that once you've added the plugin, you will have the Nexive icon appearing over here as well as over here. And the intention is that, let's say I'm sending an email to someone. I'm sending an email to, let's say, hi, Elon. We've made a video for you. Yeah. And now in the in the email body, let's say I want to add this particular image, which was going to be a personalized image that catches the attention. So I can click on this particular icon and it will invoke the plugin with all the campaigns listed out over here. We'll use the plugin demonstration campaign, and I will add in the name Elon Tesla and generate an experience. Now, like I mentioned earlier, we've got a video link that's been generated. We've got a thumbnail link which will be put on top of this video when it appears on the landing page. And we've got an image link. So you need not worry about all of these. You just have to click on Insert Experience. And an image is inserted into the email body. I'll just adjust the text of the email. So that's how the mail will appear. And if you notice, this image that you see is already linked to the landing page containing the personalized experience for Elon. So let's say Elon gets this email and he clicks on this particular image. It'll take him to this particular landing page. So in our case, we are going to demonstrate it with the NextWeave landing page itself. And the video that appears on the landing page is going to be personalized. So when the video frame appears, you'll first see that there's a personalized image that is planted on the video frame itself. And when you play this particular video, you'll notice that it also contains Elon's name and the company name within the video itself. So that's an example on how you can use the plugin to send emails that take the user from the email to the landing page with containing the personalized video. You'll also notice that going forward, we will release an SDK, which will allow you to update the images on the entire page as well. So the entire page will contain the name Elon, because that's how the page has been configured. This is something which is part of the roadmap. Now, let's try and do the same thing over LinkedIn. Let's say I want to send a message to Ashutosh. So once the plugin is activated and you refresh LinkedIn once, you'll notice that along with the other buttons that you typically see over here, you'll get a NextWeave button added over here. Now, the benefit of this is that when I click on NextWeave, I can again pull out all my campaigns. I can click on Use, and for the time being, we are giving the information about the profile image of the user, the profile picture, the profile bio, the profile location. But eventually, we'll be expanding this list. For the time being, I can just copy Ashutosh's name over here. I can mention the name of the company, generate an experience. Again, as you had seen earlier, there are these 3 links that are appearing. Copy link. It will automatically open the chat box for Ashutosh. And then you can paste this message for Ashutosh. And then he will get a message like this. And because this message contains a personalized image, which contains Ashutosh's name as well, you'll typically see that the response rates are much better. Specifically, this piece, in terms of how you can insert a personalized image as a social preview, is something that we'll cover in a different video. But there you have it. You've seen how the plugin can be used with an email flow. This is how the plugin is being used with the LinkedIn flow. And when the user clicks on this, it will again take him to the same landing page that has been created. And a video will be shown for Ashutosh. So there you go. These videos can also be interactive. So if you want to send out a campaign like this, which ends by asking the user to either sign up for a free trial or book a quick demo, that's something possible with this particular campaign itself. So hope this helps. Try out this particular feature. And if you've got any queries, you can get back to us. Thank you so much.